If you're a content creator, I've got a great news for you, and that is that YouTube is going to start automatically dubbing your videos on your channel into different languages. If you're wondering how useful is that going to be, or whether that's going to be useful at all, this is going to be a game changer. And the reason why I'm saying that is because, as you guys can see, this is an email that YouTube sent me, and they've mentioned that YouTube is going to soon enable automatic dubbing for new video uploads onto my channel. This means that YouTube is going to automatically generate translated audio tracks in different languages, which is going to help me because it's going to make my video content accessible to more viewers. For example, videos in Spanish, Portuguese, German, French, Italian, Hindi, Indonesian, and Japanese will be dubbed into English. Similarly, all those videos that are going to be in English can also be viewed by that audience in that language because it's going to automatically dub the videos into those languages. Previously, if I create a video in English, an audience that does not understand English or doesn't prefer watching English content, but they prefer watching content in their own languages, they would not come to my channel and watch my videos. But now, because of this dubbing feature, this video is also going to reach out to that audience, and they are also going to be able to see my videos in their language. And that's going to be happening automatically in the background. It's going to help increase the reach of my videos. And because my videos are going to reach to more people, I would get more views, and that's what we want, more views on YouTube. So I think this is going to be really helpful. Now, they also said in this email that no action is needed, so we'll enable this on your channel in the coming weeks. Once enabled, when you upload a new video, we will automatically add the dubbed audio to your video. It says that in some cases, we may be unable to generate the dubbed audio. You will be able to see the status of dubbed audio in YouTube Studio. We're not currently offering an option to automatically dub existing videos. This is important because I thought that maybe when this feature is enabled on my channel, I may be able to dub my previous videos that are on my channel, but that's not the case, unfortunately. However, all the new videos that I'm going to upload in the future, they will be dubbed, and I don't need to do anything. The setting is going to be enabled automatically in the YouTube settings. Thus, they're effective today. You can turn off automatic dubbing for your entire channel in your channel settings. You'd have to go to channel settings, upload defaults, advanced settings, and automatic dubbing. So if you go there, you will have this option to turn it off if you want to, but I'm not sure if you would want to turn that off because I'm going to keep that enabled. But if you want to turn that off for any given reason, you do have that option available. It also says once auto dubbing is enabled for your channel, while uploading new videos, you'll have the option to turn off automatic dubbing for that particular video. So if you want to do that for a particular video, you can do that. Let's click on learn more and see what we get. So if you click on learn more, this is the page where it gives you all the information about this new feature. Use automatic dubbing. So you can pause this video if you want to review it. I've already mentioned the languages, right? Hindi is experimental, Indonesian, Japanese, these are experimental. But French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish, like those languages are going to be supported. It mentions the same thing, how you can turn it off on your channel if you want to. Turn on automatic dubbing for your channel. If you've previously turned off automatic dubbing, you can then turn it back on for your channel. As I said earlier, that it by default is going to be on when this feature is enabled on your channel. And it also says manage automatic dubbing for a video. So if you want to do it for a particular video, it shows you how you can do that for a particular video. This last portion tells you how to delete your dubs. So you can sign into your Google account, YouTube Studio account on your computer. Click content, then select the video that you want to manage dubbing for. Click languages, hover over the relevant language, then click in the audio column, and then select delete. So this is something that I just wanted to share with you because I received this email about auto dubbing. I was very excited about it, so I thought I should share this update with you. Let me know in the comments section what are your thoughts about automatic dubbing feature of YouTube. Obviously, when the feature is out, we're going to use it, and then we'll be able to tell better how the audio sounds, how's the quality and everything. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.